Okay, hey guys, this is Victoria. This is Pembroke Beauty. Welcome to my channel. And today I have something super exciting. The March Boxycharm. So I am going to do a full unboxing of my March Boxycharm. Take out all the products, put them on my face so that you can see them, and yeah, let's go. Okay, so in the last video that I showed you guys for Boxycharm, I told you that it is a subscription box that you get monthly, and it is $21 every month, which is kind of, like, it seems kind of expensive, but in the long run, I totally think that it is worth it. So technically, this isn't an item, but this is the first thing I came across, and this is the box's theme for the month, and it is called Bae-cation. Which is pretty ironic because I literally just did like a spring break look in my last video, which you guys should check out if you haven't. But that's pretty funny. So there is 5 items in this box today, and the first item I will actually not be using today. I'm sorry. It is the South Main Eye Gel Packs. And I probably will not use these today. I already have makeup on. I'm actually kind of in a rush, so I didn't have time to put these on today. But I will update you guys whether or not I like these down in the description box below, probably by the time that this video goes up, because I'll try to try them maybe Monday. $10 for 3 sets, which isn't that bad. That's pretty affordable, actually. So hopefully it works, because I've always wanted to try these and I never have, because every one that I always found was super expensive and I didn't want to spend the money on it because it's like a one-time use and then you're done. So I don't know, but that would be a good deal because that's like $3 for a thing, which isn't that bad, I don't think, in my opinion. But anyway, okay. So that's item number 1. Number 2, I came across this 25% off Butter London coupon thing, which is pretty exciting. But okay, so second thing in the box is this, and I'm so excited about this. So this is the Pretty Vulgar blush, and it is in the shade Make Them Blush Hush Blush. So it's kind of like a mauvey rosy pink, if I can get it open. This packaging is so like up my alley. I would just like to throw that out there. And I have seen this brand a lot, and I really wanted to try it, and I just haven't gotten around to trying them. So this is really exciting. I'm so excited for this. So this is $26 on its own. That's kind of expensive. Altogether, so far, we've already hit $36, and we only paid $21 for the box. Let me just throw that out there. But anyway, so I'm going to take my Luxie 660 blush. No. My Luxie 660 brush, and I'm going to put this blush in Make Them Blush Hush Blush. That's so pigmented. Oh my god. Okay, so I know that it's kind of hard for you guys to see that, but if I put on any more, I'm going to be like crazy looking. But I really like this color, actually. Like, I definitely took too much. I should have taken way less, and that's why it's so much. But I really like how easy it was to put on, and it's really pigmented, therefore I won't have to use it super, like, I won't have to use a lot of it to get some color on my cheeks, and it's a really nice, like, natural color. I like that a lot. I actually don't have a blush that's similar to that, so that's a super exciting addition, and it's cruelty free. So the next thing in the box is the Vintage Cosmetics Smoky Eye Brush Set, and this is really cute. So it comes with 3 brushes. So this set is $23.15, and that's very specific because this is I don't know why. It might be because it's like a British brand, I think. They had to do the currency swap. Anyway, so there are 3 brushes and they are labeled 1, 2, and 3. Step 1 for the money, step 2 for the shadow, step 3, go girl go. So this is what they look like. So they're white handled, and then they have white bristles, and they're pretty soft. So I'm going to use these when I use the next product in the box, which is so exciting. This is the Boxycharm and Pure Cosmetics collaboration palette, and it is cruelty-free. It has 12 shadows in it. Look at how pretty. Okay, so this retails for $36, and it's super pretty. It has a full-size mirror, which I appreciate, and it has all the names on there, and this is really pretty. And I would just like to throw this out there as well, that these 2 shades, I didn't even think about it when I did my last video, but that's like the exact same color scheme as my last video. So I'm probably not going to do anything super like dramatic today. It's like I have a couple things that I have to do today, and I don't have a lot of time, so I'm kind of just going to, like, you know, move through here. But I will show you guys what I'm doing, etc. And I have no idea what I'm doing right now, like color scheme wise. So it's just going to be fun. We're just going to play around. Hey. Okay, so I'm going to take step 1 brush, and I'm going to go into the shade Naked, which is like a, oh my god, orangey peachy shade, and put that into our crease. Going to go into Bae. Now I'm going to go into step 3. Yeah, step 3. Into Belle. Now I'm going to go into BFF on this more of a shader brush. Now I'm going back in with the first brush to blend it out. I want to build that up a little bit more. Alright, I might go in with the pink everywhere, and then so now I'm taking Boxy Black on this brush. Back in with Belle and Nikki. So the only thing that I wish that this brush set had was more of a big fluffy brush. Like, it doesn't have a big blending brush, so it's kind of hard. I'm gonna take some of Perfect on this Morphe Beautiful and Bronze brush, and I'm just kind of gonna Now I'm going to take this e.l.f. concealer brush, and I'm going to go in with the shade Charmer and put that on my inner corner and on my brow bone. And then last but not least in the box is this Butter London Double Decker Lashes Mascara. So I'm going to try this out. This retails for $20. It's kind of expensive. I mean, I guess that's standard for, like, okay, so this is the brush. It's pretty big, but it is bristles as opposed to being like plastic, which I appreciate. So I'm going to curl my lashes, set my makeup, because you know I like to do that, and do I want to wear wings? Yeah, I might do some wing liner real quick. So I'm going in with the NYX Matte Liquid Liner. So now I'm going to put mascara on. So I'm going to curl my lashes. I'm going in with the e.l.f. Illuminating Mist and Set. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with the Double Decker mascara. Oh, did you hear that? Jesus. So now I'm going to throw on a lipstick, and I don't know which one, but I know I'm going to start with the Starfire Pink Lip Liner. Okay, and I think I want to go darker, so I'm going to go with the ColourPop More Butter Liquid, or Ultra Matte Lip. Okay, so this is the finished look with all of the items from this month's Boxycharm, and so I've tallied up how much everything costs. So in total, the amount of products that we got, they added up to $115, and you pay $21 for the box. Therefore, there is a $94 value in this month's box, which is awesome. That's almost $100 worth of products that you got for free. So that's super cool. I absolutely loved this month's box. I think the highlight for me was probably the palette. I really like that, and I'm really, really excited to try the under eye patches because I really wanted to try those like I was telling you. I didn't ever tell you my update on the mascara. So the Double Decker mascara from Butter London, I like it. I don't think it's like the best mascara ever. I think that it's pretty okay. It did end up getting a little bit clumpy when I was putting it on. It is a more volumizing mascara, I believe. Yeah. 200% thicker lashes is their thing, and so if you kind of like that and you have really thin lashes and you wish that they were like thicker and whatnot, then I would suggest that for you. I'm definitely pleased. I'll use it. It's just not my all-time favorite mascara. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see more videos from me, please subscribe to this channel, hit the little bell so that you get notifications every time I upload. Please like this video if you did enjoy it and you want to see more Boxycharm unboxings and try-ons with moi. And comment down below if you have any suggestions for future videos or anything like that. So thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye! Why? Hallelujah.
Text me when he's leaving.